So doing a comparison between Meguiar's Super Shine and the VRP vinyl rubber plastic from Chemical Guys. Both of these are supposed to bring back shine and a little bit of restoration to plastics, rubber pieces, basically vehicle trim. And if you've ever had a Jeep, you've dealt with this probably before. These plastic pieces right here are just super faded. This is a 2012, so at this point it's 13 years old. Being out in the sun just pretty much all the time. Not too many products tend to keep these things black, but I'm gonna apply one product on one fender and the other on the other fender. And then I'm gonna take a look at it after a week and see how it looks, with the goal of figuring out which one of these lasts longer. Now the Meguiar says that you can spray it directly onto the surface, or you can spray it onto an applicator and kind of rub it on that way. I've always liked using these microfiber towels for any of these applications, so that's what I'm gonna use today. All right, I'm gonna let this one dry for a little bit, but you can see the difference already. Probably do another coat here in another couple minutes, but we're gonna go on to the passenger side. Something that's kind of funny, but both of these smell really good. All right, same thing over here. Gonna let it dry for a little bit. Check back in over here. I think we can do another coat. You can see a little bit of the splotchy areas. It's not quite even. All right, there we go. So they're both looking pretty even now. Looking definitely a lot better, but we're gonna see how long this lasts. Last step for both of them is to wipe off any excess. So we're just gonna give it a quick wipe down. If I had to give out points for smell, I think Chemical Guys wins out. It smells like a really nice shampoo or something that you get at a hotel. But at this point, I'm gonna let them sit for both a week. We'll come back and see how they look. All right, 1 week later, you can see there's definitely a difference on these. Over here with the Chemical Guys, did not hold up too well. And then with Meguiar's, still definitely faded, but held up a lot better than on the other side. And I think this is gonna be my new go-to for now, until I can find something better.